Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I'll quickly explain one useful feature inside LemTask, which is priority and status tracking. When we have many tasks to complete, it becomes difficult to understand what should we do first. Some tasks are urgent, some are normal, and some can be completed later. If everything is mixed together, we may miss important work or waste time on low priority tasks. That's where LemTask can help. By the end of the video, you'll understand how to create a task, set its priority, update its status, and track progress in one place. Okay, so first I'm on the LemTask website. Now I'll click on this and get inside LemTask. I'm logged in. I land on the main dashboard page. The dashboard shows the tasks that are already created. Here I can see task names, due dates, priorities, and current statuses. So now I'll create a new task. I'll look for the create task section. See, these are the due dates. Let me go to this. Now I'll add a task. Now a form opens where I can enter the task details, as we can see here. Now, now I'll first add the task title. For example, test lem task. Lem task plugin. Next, I'll add a short description. I'll write down. Now let me scroll down and check my tasks. So here I click on this. So here I can start the due date, like add it on tomorrow, and timing as well. I can change the timing and then save date. Then I can also give the priority like high, medium, low, and none, or send to bottom. These are useful because shows the task has already been started. Once I finish the testing, I can open the test task again and change the status to completed. This makes task tracking much clearer instead of asking what is pending or completed. The dashboard already shows the correct progress. For teams, this feature is very useful because everyone can understand which tasks are urgent, which tasks are being worked on, and which tasks are already finished. It also helps managers because they do not need to check every task manually. They can quickly look at the task list and understand the overall work progress. The main benefit of priority and task tracking is better organization. It helps users to focus on important work first, avoid missed deadlines, and keep daily work clear. So I'll quickly recap. First, I logged into LemTask, then clicked on Create Task. After that, I added the title, description, priority, due dates, and status. Finally, I saved the tasks. Then the feature helps users manage daily tasks, focus on urgent work, track progress, and complete tasks in more organized way. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.